According to a new sentiment analysis, whale wallets carry more than 10 million ADA and hold close to 50% of the currency in circulation. 99% of the entire on-chain volume was exchanged on March 28 alone, for a total of 69.09 billion ADA. Why then do whales adore Cardano? Keep watching to get the answer. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and greetings. Today's video will show you whales collecting Cardano like crazy, so stay focused. You won't believe that the last time these whales possessed so much ADA was 2 years ago. According to the sentiment analytics team, a significant fraction of these addresses is associated with cryptocurrency exchanges. Such market activity suggests the involvement of institutional investors and whales, indicating potential investments and positioning. According to Whale Stats, a website that monitors the activity of influential cryptocurrency investors across several networks, Cardano ADA has become one of the assets that the top 2,000 whales have purchased the most on Binance Smart Chain in the last 24 hours. ADA has recently drawn the attention of BNB holders, in particular many times, and it has often been included in such news broadcasts. The top 100 whales on the Binance Smart Chain control 21.4 million ADA, or $6.87 million. This investing group's overall portfolio includes 0.86% of the Cardano coin. On the BSC network, there are 500,768 Cardano holding addresses altogether. It may seem unusual that two distinct crypto ecosystems would interact this way, but because we are talking about whales, the financial aspect is undoubtedly the most important. So what potential do major investors now perceive in ADA? On-chain activity on the Cardano network has significantly increased according to Into the Block. The blockchain and cryptocurrency market research platform confirmed that the number of major transactions with a value above $100,000 has increased by more than 5,000%. Sentiment detected corresponding network activity. According to the behavioral analytics platform, the number of whales on the Cardano network increased by 1.7%. Since March 21st, around 42 addresses containing 1 million to 10 million ADA have been generated. About half of the circulating ADA supply owns huge wallets, notably those of centralized digital exchanges. It occurred despite the coin's price being over 60% below its record high of $3.10 set on September 2. The total number of ADA coins in circulation is 33,739,028,516. At first sight, major investors' increase in Cardano may seem like little. However, the sudden increase in purchasing pressure might amount to millions of dollars, considering that these whales possess between $1.2 and $12 million in ADA. Prices have been able to retake the psychological $1 level as support because of the growing interest in Cardano. Transaction history reveals that $1.36, where more than 690,000 addresses have previously acquired more than 6.41 billion ADA, is the greatest challenge to overcome. The so-called Ethereum killer might increase to $2 if this supply barrier is broken. It is important to note that whales have been able to provide a strong support floor of around $1 since they have been expanding their holdings over the previous several weeks. This demand barrier may stop Cardano from suffering major losses, barring a black swan occurrence. Cardano ADA is a unique cryptocurrency that first appeared in 2017 and has since become well known. The coin continues to be popular among investors because of its fundamental functions. When Cardano ADA arrived in 2017, it addressed one of the most important issues in the cryptocurrency industry. Lower gas prices and quicker transaction processing were offered by Cardano ADA. The revolutionary turmoil attracted a lot of traders and investors to the cryptocurrency market. To get around transactional problems and gas costs, Cardano ADA adopted a hybrid blockchain system. The coin quickly rose to the cryptocurrency industry's top because of its incredible innovation. Even though Cardano ADA has several distinctive qualities, they have yet to win over investors. From its peak, Cardano's price has dropped more than 6 times. With no signs of a comeback, Cardano investors are starting to buy the Orbeon protocol. When Cardano ADA joined the scene, it brought a cutting-edge blockchain architecture enabling quicker transactions and a less crowded network. To update their assets, many other cryptocurrencies in the market are now embracing this new way of thinking. Major cryptocurrencies failed to recover over the weekend after suffering a brutal sell-off for most of this week, adding around 8% to the market value overall. Strong perceptions of the market being oversold led traders to place buy orders at sharply reduced prices, contributing to the relief jump. Analysts have also suggested that a short squeeze may be to blame for the surge. A short squeeze develops when traders short an asset only for it to soar. To cover the short positions, they must now purchase assets. Those who shorted the asset are squeezed by the sharp price increase. Sentiment, a cryptocurrency monitoring company, said on Friday that Cardano network transactions were increasing, with ADA hitting a low of 40 cents on May 12. Cardano whales reported a rush of trades yesterday between 8 and 12 p.m. UTC, while prices were bottoming out at 40 cents. Company tweeted, "These increases have often signaled shifts in the price trend for ADA." Last week, experts revealed that ADA whales with a balance of 1 to 10 million coins had been acquiring additional coins amid the sell-off, purchasing more than $200 million worth of ADA in the last 2 weeks. It is after they dumped a total of 1.7 million tokens during the previous 7 months. It is clear why whales have been so active lately, given that the price has just touched a multi-year low of 40 cents, which also serves as strong support, and that the impending Basel hard fork in June aims to improve the Cardano network significantly. As of this writing, ADA is up 2.54% daily and trading at 56 cents. Cardano presently has a market value of $18.9 billion, making it the 8th biggest cryptocurrency asset. Because of its originality, Cardano ADA had a strong year last year. Despite this, the cryptocurrency fell significantly from its peak, falling more than 6 times. Investor confidence could be better due to investors beginning to sell Cardano to buy Orbeon protocol. Analysts anticipate that Orbeon, presently in its second pre-sale period, will increase by 60 times shortly. These whales had spent approximately $200 million on ADA in a little more than a month. But this is not a brand new pattern for Cardano whales. Addresses with balances between 1 and 10 million ADA are said to have purchased almost 4 billion ADA in only the first quarter of 2022. Before the dump trend that began in the middle of March, this had raised their total balances to $12.19. Cardano whales have been actively acquiring digital assets over the last 5 weeks. Since the digital asset has been declining and drifting around $1, these whales possess between 1 and 10 million ADA and have been the most active. These whales have taken advantage of the chance to buy, as they have bought 196 million ADA over the last 5 weeks. But before this, the same locations were on a dumping rampage. Their combined holdings have decreased over this period, reaching one of their lowest points ever in the middle of March. However, the whales resumed their accumulation tendency as prices reached a new monthly low, significantly raising their combined balances. Investors are buying up ADA at a discount. According to analyst F. Insane, on-chain data reveals that purchasing pressure is at an all-time high, and Cardano has built a strong support level that might stop additional losses. Cardano is preparing for a breakthrough by building upward pressure. Since hitting its ATH of $3.16 on September 2, 2021, ADA has declined significantly. Due to the sharp rise in profit-taking, the market valuation of the blockchain for smart contracts has decreased by 71%. Due to the decline, marginal investors are stockpiling cheap tokens right now. Addresses holding between 10,000 and 1 million ADA have grown by 15,000 since December 15, 2021, according to on-chain statistics from Sentiment. Since then, about 3,900 big wallets have been made, demonstrating growing interest from individual investors. The sharp rise in purchase orders enabled Cardano to construct a solid support wall. More than 340,000 addresses previously got 7.65 billion ADA at around $1, according to Into the Block's IO map model. The demand zone may have the ability to withstand any bursts in selling pressure and let prices rise to $1.20 or perhaps $1.60, according to the expert. Even if the rates favor the bulls, any substantial movement depends on the dollar support level. A strong daily closure below this resistance level might spark market panic and lead traders to reduce their holdings. Although it's crucial to understand who has the most Cardano, you should always research before trading by checking the most recent news, doing technical and fundamental analysis, and reading expert comments. That's all we have for you today. Look at whales collecting Cardano like crazy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. First and foremost, what do you think about these cryptocurrencies? And how can you justify them more precisely? Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.